Hello everyone! Welcome to Teacher Frel TV! Our subject for today is Math 4, Quarter 3, Week 8, MELC-BASED. Let's learn about differentiating perimeter from area and converting square centimeters to square meters. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to differentiate perimeter from area and convert square centimeters to square meters and vice versa. Hello kids! Today, you will learn about differentiating perimeter from area and converting square centimeter to square meter and vice versa. What is the difference between the perimeter and area of a shape? The perimeter is the sum of all the side lengths of a shape, while the area is the amount of two-dimensional space a shape occupies. To better understand these two concepts and their differences, let's look at the example. The black border is a fence, while green square is the grass. The perimeter of this square is the length of fence or the black line around. The area of this square is the amount of grass or the green part. As you can see, the black line is the perimeter, and the green part is the area. Read and analyze the problem. Annabelle prepared a table napkin that is 20 cm long and 15 cm wide. What is its perimeter? And what its area? Let's see. To find the perimeter, look at this illustration. The width of this rectangle is 15 cm and the length is 20 cm. Perimeter can be solved using the formula. Perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. That means in rectangle, there are 2 equal length side and 2 equal width side. Here's the solution. Perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. So substitute 2 length into 2 times 20 cm, which are the two sides of the length, plus 2 times 15 cm, which are the two sides of the width. So 2 times 20 equals 40 cm, plus 2 times 15 equals 30 cm. 40 cm plus 30 cm equals 70 cm. So therefore, the perimeter of Annabelle's table napkin is 70 cm. And now, let's find out the area. To find the area, look at this illustration. Inside the rectangle, there are square units. This side is 15 cm width. Let's count the squares of the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the length of this rectangle is 20 cm. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Area of the rectangle can be solved using this formula. Area equals length times width. The solution is area equals length times width. So length is 20 cm times 15 cm, which is the width. 20 times 15 equals 300 square centimeter. Or you can write square centimeter as this, 300 square centimeter. The area of Annabelle's table napkin is 300 square centimeter or 300 square centimeter. We use square unit because we multiply two like unit. In our example, we multiplied centimeter by centimeter, which is the length and the width. So the area or the whole area will be square centimeter. Converting square centimeters to square meters is relatively easy. These example problems will show the best way to to convert square centimeters to square meters and vice versa. The conversion factor between square centimeters to square meters is 10,000 square centimeters equals to 1 square meters. How do you get that? Start the conversion from centimeters to meters. 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter. A square meter is a square 1 meter wide and 1 meter tall. Here is the illustration. 1 meter wide and 1 meter tall. So 1 square meter equals 1 meter times 1 meter. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. As you can see, the sides of the squares has the same size. So substitute the conversion factor for meter to centimeter. 1 square meter equals 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter. So 100 times 100 equals 10,000 square centimeter. 1 square meter is equivalent to 10,000 square centimeters. Did you get it, kids? Let's study the example. How many square centimeters are in 3 square meters? The given is 3 square meters is equivalent to blank square centimeters. Remember that 1 square meter is equivalent to 10,000 square centimeters. So we will multiply 3 square meters to 10,000 square centimeters and divide it to 1 square meter. And next step is cancel 2 square meters. We will multiply 3 times 10,000 square centimeters equals 30,000 square centimeters divided by 1 equals 30,000 square centimeters or 30,000 square centimeters. You can write it like this. Therefore, 3 square meters is equivalent to 30,000 square centimeters. Let's see another examples. How many square meters are in 750,000 square centimeters? 750,000 square centimeters is equals to blank square meters. So this time, the divisor is the equivalent of 1 square meter, which is 10,000 square centimeters. And 1 meter is over 10,000 square centimeters. So cancel the square centimeter symbols. 750,000 times 1 equals 750,000 square meters divided by 10,000 equals 75 square meters or 75 square meters. You can write it like this. So therefore, the answer is 75 square meters. 750 square centimeters is equivalent to 75 square meters. So that is how to convert the square centimeters to square meters. In converting square meters to square centimeters, we multiply by 10,000. Like this. Multiply the square meters to square centimeters, which is 10,000 square centimeters. In converting square centimeters to square meters, we divide by 10,000. This is an example. We divide the square centimeters to 10,000. Did you get it, kids? And now, try to do the following activities. For learning task 1, find the perimeter and area of each figure. For number 1, this is a rectangle. The width is 3 cm and the length is 8 cm. Let's get first the perimeter. The formula of perimeter is perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. Then substitute the 2 length to 2 times 8 and 2 width 2 times 3. 2 times 8 equals 16 cm. Then 2 times 3 equals 6 cm. Then add 16 plus 6 equals 22 cm. The perimeter of this rectangle is 22 cm. Now, let's get the area. The formula is area equals length times width. Length is 8 cm multiply it to 3 cm, which is the width. 8 times 3 equals 24 centimeters square. So the area of this rectangle is 24 square centimeter. Number 2. Squares. The square has the same size. All the sides of the square is 5 meter. The formula for the perimeter of square is perimeter equals 4s, or side plus side plus side plus side. Or we can substitute the formula like this: 4 times 5 meter. 4 times 5 equals 20 meter. So the perimeter of this square is 20 meters. The formula for this area is area equals side times side, or 5 meter times 5 meter equals 25 square meters. The area of this square is 25 square meters. Next, the width of this rectangle is 4 meter and the length is 18 meters. Perimeter, 2 length plus 2 width. 2 length is 2 times 18. 2 width is 2 times 4. 2 times 18 equals 36 meter. Plus, 2 times 4 equals 8 meter. Then add, the answer is 44 meters. The perimeter of this rectangle is 44 meters. Now, let's get the area. Area equals length times width. Substitute, 18 meter times 4 meter equals 72 square meters. The area of this rectangle is 72 square meters. Learning Task 2. Convert the following. Remember that 1 square meter is equivalent to 10,000 square centimeters. Number 1. 40,000 square centimeters is equivalent to blank square meters. Correct. The answer is 4. Why? Because we divide 40,000 to 10,000. Number 2. 6 square meters is equivalent to blank square centimeters. Very good. The answer is 60,000 square centimeters because we multiply 6 to 10,000. Number 3. 80,000 square centimeters is equivalent to how many square meters? Very good. It is equivalent to 8 square meters. Why? Because we divide 80,000 to 10,000. Number 4. 120,000 square centimeters is equivalent to how many square meters? Very good. The answer is 12. Why? Because we divide 120,000 to 10,000. Number 5. 9 square meters is equivalent to how many square centimeters? Very good. The answer is 90,000 square centimeters. Why? Because we multiply 9 to 10,000. Number 6. 56,000 square centimeters is equivalent to how many square meters? Very good. The answer is 5.6. Why? Because we divide 56,000 to 10,000. Number 7. 65 square meters is equivalent to how many square centimeters? Very good. The correct answer is 650,000 square centimeters. Why? Because we multiply 65 to 10,000. Number 8. 450,000 square centimeters is equivalent to how many square meters? Very good. The answer is 45 square meters. Why? Because we divide 450,000 to 10,000. Number 9. 23 square meters is equivalent to how many square centimeters? Very good. The answer is 230,000 square centimeters. Why? Because we multiply 23 to 10,000. And number 10, 240,000 square centimeters is equivalent to how many square meters? Very good. The answer is 24 square meters. Why? We divide 240,000 to 10,000. Did you get it, kids? Now, let's move to learning task 3. Solve the following word problem. Number 1. Find the perimeter and area of a rectangle with a length of 6 cm and a width of 4 cm. Let's get first the perimeter. The formula is perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. 2 times 6 cm plus 2 times 4 cm. 2 times 6 equals 12 cm and 2 times 4 equals 8 cm. 12 plus 8 equals 20. So the perimeter is 20 cm. Now, let's find the area. Area equals length times width. Length is 6 cm, multiply it to 4 cm, which is the width. 6 times 4 equals 24 square centimeters. The area is 24 square centimeters. Number 2. A square tablecloth has a side of 5 meter. What are its perimeter and area? The formula for perimeter of square is perimeter equals 4s, or side plus side plus side plus side. Or substitute it like this. 4 times 5 meters equals 20 meters. The perimeter of square is 20 meters. Now the area is area equals side times side. Substitute it like this. 5 meter times 5 meter equals 25 square meters. So the area of the square is 25 square meters. Number 3. The area of a rectangular fence is 500 square feet. If the width of the fence is 20 feet, then find its length. What is its perimeter? So the area, according to this problem, the area is 500 square feet. Formula of area is area equals length times width. So we will find out what is the length of a rectangular fence. So the width is 20 feet. To get the length, you have to divide 500 feet to 20 feet. 20 feet is the width. 500 divided by 20 equals 25 feet. So the length of the rectangular fence is 25 feet. Then multiply to 20 feet. That's why the area is 500 square feet. For the perimeter, what is the perimeter? 2 length plus 2 width. 2 times 25 feet, which is the 2 length, plus 2 width, 2 times 20 feet. 2 times 25 equals 50 feet, plus 2 times 20 feet equals 40 feet. 50 plus 40 equals 90 feet. So the perimeter of a rectangular fence is 90 feet. Number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular pool is 56 meters. If the length of the pool is 16 meters, then find its width. What is its area? So according to this problem, the perimeter is 56 meters. Perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 width. So 2 length is 2 times 16 meter. The missing is the width. First, multiply 2 times 16 equals 32 meter. Now, to find the width, you have to subtract 32 to 56. 56 minus 32 equals 24. Next is, divide 24 to 2 equals 12. So the width is 12 meter. Then multiply 2 times 12 equals 24 meter. Then add 32 plus 24 equals 56 meter. For the area, length times width, or 16 meter times 12 meter equals 192 square meters. So this is the area of a rectangular pool. And for number 5, the length of rectangular wooden board is thrice its width. If the width of the board is 120 cm, what is its length? What its perimeter and area? Let's get first the perimeter. So we will find out what is the length of a rectangular wooden board. Then the width is 2 times 120 centimeter. So according to this problem, the length of rectangular wooden board is thrice its width. That means 3 times of 120. 3 times of 120 is 360 centimeter. So the length is 360 centimeter. And then, multiply to 2 times 360 equals 720 centimeter is the 2 length. And 2 times 120 is 240, which is the 2 width. 720 plus 240 equals 960 centimeter, which is the perimeter of rectangular wooden board. Now the area, length times width, or 360 centimeter times 120 centimeter equals 43,200 square centimeters. So that is the area of a rectangular wooden board. Next activity, learning task 4. Change the following units as indicated. Number 1, 230,000 square centimeter is equivalent to 23 square meters. Number 2, 70,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 7 square meters. Number 3, 90,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 9 square meters. Number 4, 5 square meters is equivalent to 50,000 square centimeters. Number 5, 6.7 square meters is equivalent to 67,000 square centimeters. The perimeter is the length of the outline of a shape. To find the perimeter of a rectangle or square, you have to add the lengths of all the 4 sides. While the area is measurement of the surface of a shape. To find the area of a rectangle or a square, you need to multiply the length and the width of a rectangle or a square. Remember that there are 10,000 square centimeters in 1 square meters. To convert square centimeters to square meters, we divide by 10,000. To convert square meters to square centimeters, we multiply by 10,000. And now for learning task 5, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, if you had to build a fence around your backyard, which measure would you use to find the amount of fencing needed? A. Circumference, B. Volume, C. Perimeter, or D. Area. What is the correct answer? Very good. The answer is letter C. Perimeter. Number 2. You want to know how large is the top of your table. Which measure would you use to find the answer? A. Circumference, B. Volume, C. Perimeter, or D. Area. What is the correct answer? Very good. The answer is letter D. The area. Number 3. What is the perimeter of rectangle with a length of 10 inches and the width of 5 inches? A. 30 inches, B. 40 inches, C. 50 inches, or D. 60 inches. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter A. 30 inches. Number 4. The school ground is a large square. The length of each side is 400 meters. What is the perimeter of the school ground? A. 160,000 meters, B. 160,000 square meters, C. 1,600 meters, or D. 1,600 square meters. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is 1,600 square meters. Number 5. Amor has a rectangular rose garden that measures 8 meter by 10 meter. One bag of fertilizer can cover 16 square meters. How many bags will he needed to cover the entire garden? A. 80 bags, B. 36 bags, C. 18 bags, or D. 5 bags? What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D, 5 bags. And for our last activity, learning task 6, write true if the conversion is correct. If false, write the correct equivalent measure. Number 1. 36 square meters is equivalent to 360,000 square centimeters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is true. Number 2. 48,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 48 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is false. The correct equivalent measure is 4.8 square meters. Number 3. 100,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 10 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is true. Number 4. 24,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 2.4 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is true. Number 5. 63 square meters is equivalent to 63,000 square centimeters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is false. The correct equivalent measure is 630,000 square centimeters. Number 6. 10 square meters is equivalent to 10,000 square centimeters. Is it true or false? Very good. The correct answer is false. The correct equivalent measure is 100,000 square centimeter. Number 7. 90,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 90 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The correct answer is false because the correct equivalent measure is 9 square meters. Number 8. 82 square meters is equivalent to 820,000 square centimeters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is true. Number 9. 37,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 3.7 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is true. And number 10. 32,000 square centimeters is equivalent to 320 square meters. Is it true or false? Very good. The answer is false because the correct equivalent measure is 3.2 square centimeters. Remember, the perimeter is the length of the outline of a shape. To find the perimeter of rectangle or square, you have to add the lengths of all the 4 sides. The area is measurement of the surface of a shape. To find the area of a rectangle or a square, you need to multiply the length and the width of a rectangle or a square. Remember that there are 10,000 square centimeters in 1 square meter. To convert square centimeters to square meters, we divide by 10,000. To convert square meters to square centimeters, we multiply by 10,000. So kids, do you understand our lessons today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!